Welcome to the Data Handling and User Experience series, where we explain front-end concepts using real production examples, not definitions. And these are exactly the kind of decisions interviewers love to ask about. Let's start with today's topic: pagination versus infinite scroll. Both solve the same real-world problem, displaying large amounts of data without breaking the UI. Let's look at where you actually see these in real applications. Open any dashboard, admin panel, or search results page. You'll almost always see pagination. Why? Because users want control. They want page numbers. They want predictable navigation. They want to jump back to a specific result. That's why tables, dashboards, and search pages use pagination in production. Now look at social media feeds, news apps, or content discovery platforms. They use infinite scroll. The goal here isn't precision, it's exploration. You scroll, more content loads, and you stay engaged. So far, both look fine. But here's where real-world problems start. Infinite scroll feels smooth until it doesn't. In production apps, issues happen when every scroll loads more data. Every loaded item stays in the DOM, and nothing ever gets removed. Over time, three things break. First, DOM size explodes. Hundreds or thousands of components stay mounted. This slows down layout, painting, and scrolling. Second, API calls spike. If scroll events aren't controlled, you trigger multiple fetches, duplicate requests, and eventually hit API rate limits. Third, rendering cost increases. Every state update forces more components to re-render, and the UI slowly becomes laggy, then completely freezes. This is why blindly using infinite scroll breaks real apps. That's also why production teams never render everything. Real applications combine infinite scroll with virtualization. That means only the items currently visible on screen exist in the DOM. As you scroll down, old items are removed, new ones are rendered, but the user never notices. This keeps DOM size small, API calls under control, and scrolling smooth. So the decision isn't about which one looks modern. It's about user intent. If you're building dashboards, tables, or search results, use pagination. If you're building feeds, news, or content discovery, use infinite scroll, but always with proper optimization. One last thing. If you use infinite scroll everywhere without thinking, your UI will eventually freeze. Senior front-end engineers always think about DOM size, API limits, and rendering cost. Next topic in this series, debouncing versus throttling. That's coming next. And if you enjoy this kind of real-world front-end thinking, follow this channel for more concepts explained from production, not theory. If you want the interview questions for this topic, drop a comment. I'll share them.